pounds. Oh. Thank you, WWWs. Fuck. Sid, thank you. Thank you, Sid. Thank you, Madam. Thank you, Madam Scarlett. Thank you, Scarlett. Thank you. I appreciate that. I'm thinking about throwing this bitch. Oh, hi.
If you ask if he has diabetes one more time, I'm start getting mad because that's rude. LBC. Hi. Set. Frankie 100 right now. Set. Keep happy birthday hot. I'm sorry, you look better. Jeffrey. Set.
Wow, thank you. Thank you, madam. Keep going. You're doing amazing. Thank you for being my friend. Thank you, Denchi. Thank you, Sid. Thank you, Scarlett. Oh, match. Thank you, Sid. Thank you, everybody. Hey, we got $33.33. $30. Thank you for being my friend. W's. Thank you, Dancy. Thank you, Scarlett. Thank you, Sid. Here in about 10 minutes, I want to smoke. Y'all remind me in about 10 or 15 minutes. I need to take a break. I'm not going to lie to you. I need a break. What did you say? Yeah, subscriber mode is on. Yeah, subscriber mode is on, y'all. Oh, Frankie's cheering. Cheers, Frankie. I did an imaginary one. Oh, 886 pounds was my top weight. Yay, we got that one done. We still got to do the back side, though. I'm having a hard time with that one. God bless you. Yeah, subscriber mode is on. We just got a lot of hate tonight. Thank you. Hey, we're on step 3. We're on step 3. Thank you guys for your love. Thank you for your love.